Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, we were doing exercise 10.1. Okay, so some of the questions, actually the statement sums, we have already done from our previous session, in our previous session. Okay, so today I am going to continue with the same exercise, that is exercise 10.1. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 116, that is exercise 10.1. So I am just writing the topic on the board, that is exercise 10.1, and this is given at page number 160. Okay, so in the previous session we have completed up to question number 13. Okay, so today we are going to start with the next sum, that is sum number 14. Okay, so let's begin with the sum number 14 from the same exercise 10.1. Okay, so the question number 14 is, question number 14 is, Vinita bought 30 kg atta from the market. She used 12 kg 250 gram of it. How much atta is left? Okay, तो विनीता ने मार्केट से कुछ आटा खरीदा and the quantity of that atta is given, so that is 30 kg. So विनीता had bought 30 kg आटा. विनीता ने मार्केट से 30 kg आटा है जो खरीदा. Okay, and after that she has used 12 kg 250 ग्राम ऑफ इट. उसके बाद उसने उसमें से 12 kg 250 ग्राम ऑफ आटा है दैट शी हैज़ यूज्ड और शी हैज़ यूटिलाइज्ड. हाउ मच आटा इज लेफ्ट? सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मच आटा इज लेफ्ट विथ हर. ओके, सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नाउ. So okay, so the total quantity of atta bought, that is given, atta used is given, and we need to find out the atta left. Okay, so finding the something left, what we do the subtraction. Okay, so let's do question number 14 from exercise 10.1. so total quantity of atta, total atta bought, total atta bought. So the total atta bought was equal to the total atta bought, that is 30 kg. Total atta bought was 30 kg. Now atta used. Okay, so they have mentioned the atta used, that is atta used. The atta used is, that is 12 kg 250 gram. That is 12 kg 250 grams. So this is the atta used. Now we need to calculate atta left. हमें क्या निकालना है, कितना आटा बचा. So for this what we do, for finding out the left out atta, we will do the subtraction. Okay, now we need to find out atta left. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so as we can see here we're not having anything in the grams, so we will simply just put 3 zeros here. Okay, so now is it okay? Now we can easily subtract the atta used from the total quantity of atta bought. Okay, that is, the first is gram, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 5 not possible, so it will directly borrow from here, that is 3. 3 will become 2, this will remain 9, next is also 9 and it will become 10. ओके, तो देखिए बेटा, आज तक जब सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन जो करते हो वही है, इसमें कुछ अलग नहीं है. ओके, सो दिस इज द सेम वी विल हैव डन बिफोर. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 7, that will be the kg. Okay, next 9 minus 2 7, 2 minus 1 1. So the atta left is 17 kg 750 grams. So this is the quantity of atta that is being left with her. ओके, क्वेश्चन में लिखा हाउ मच आटा इज लेफ्ट, देयरफॉर 17 kg 750 gram आटा is left with Vinita. Therefore 17 kg and 750 gram atta is left with Vinita. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 14 from exercise 10.1. okay, you can pause it here and note it down in the notebooks. okay beta, chaliye let's move to the question number 15. okay, from the same question number 15 that we will do next. The question number is 15. The question number 15 is Sunita gained 7 kg 500 gram weight. What was her weight earlier if she weighs 50 kg 200 grams now? ओके, देखिए क्वेश्चन बहुत ही सिंपल है बट इसको समझना है थोड़ा, देन यू विल बी एबल टू डू द क्वेश्चन ओनली दैट. ओके, सो देखिए द क्वेश्चन इज सुनीता गेन्ड 7 kg 500 gram weight. Gains means Sunita name. okay, Sunita. okay, what was her earlier weight if she weighed 50 kg 200 grams now? ओके, सो सुनीता का जो वेट है वो बढ़ गया नियर अबाउट 7 kg 500 ग्राम. सो सुनीता का वेट कितना बढ़ गया, वेट मतलब उसको बॉडी वेट. ओके, सो सुनीता ने वेट गेन किया. वेट गेन मतलब तो उसने उसकी जो बॉडी है उसने वो थोड़ी मोटी हो गई जिसको हम बोलते हैं. ओके, सुनीता हैज सम बॉट सम वेट. ओके, नॉट बॉट, सुनीता हैज गेन सम वेट. सुनीता ने कुछ वेट गेन किया एंड द वेट ऑफ एंड शी हैज गेन्ड 7 kg 500 grams. So this is the weight that she has gained. okay, and now her weight is, weight gain करने के बाद उसका weight कितना हो गया, that is 50 kg 200 grams. okay, so that means now she is 50 kg and 200 grams. okay, what was her weight earlier, इससे पहले उसका weight कितना था. okay, this is what we need to find out. so the weight gained is given earlier, the present weight is given, and we need to find out that the weight she is having earlier. okay, so for that what we do, we will subtract the weight gained from the total weight now, the current weight gained from the current weight, and we can easily find out the total weight, the earlier weight of Sunita. okay, चलिए let's do question number 15. देखिए present weight of Sunita. Present weight of Sunita is there. Present weight of Sunita is 7 kg 500 grams. That is, sorry, this is present weight of Sunita is 50 kg 200 grams. That is 50 kg 200 grams. So this is the present weight of Sunita. Next is weight gained. okay, कितना उसने weight gain किया. next is weight gained. उसने कितना weight gain किया. so she has gained 7 kg 500 grams. okay, she has weighed 7 kg. She has gained 7 kg and 500 gram weight. Let's subtract. okay, now we need to find out the total weight. what was her earlier weight. question में हमारे पास क्या दिया बेटा, the question is what was her weight earlier. okay, earlier weight of Sunita we need to find out. earlier weight of Sunita. Okay, so we need to find out this. Okay, so निकालिए सुनीता का जो पहले वेट था वो हमें अब निकालना. Earlier weight of Sunita. Okay, so that is gram. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 7 not possible, so it will borrow from here. It will become 4. It will become 9 because it will give 1 to this. It will become 12. So 12 minus 5, that is 7. So we will write kg as it is. Okay, 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 nothing, that is 4. Okay, so that means earlier weight of Sunita was 42. Okay, so earlier Sunita was of, the weight was 42 kg and 700 gram. Question में दिया हुआ what was the earlier weight? Therefore earlier weight of Sunita was 42 kg and 700 grams. So this is what we will write in the solution sentence. Therefore earlier weight of Sunita was 42 kg 700 grams. Therefore earlier weight of Sunita was 42 kg and 700 grams. So this was the earlier weight of Sunita. Okay. Now let's move. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 15. Okay, you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks as well. Okay, so now we have completed the 15th questions from the exercise 10.1. Let's move to the 16th question. Okay, let's move to the question number 16. Question number 16 is Kiran weighs 20 kg 850 gram. Bimal weighed 12 kg 200 gram more than Kiran. Find their total weight. Okay, so this is a quite lengthy and थोड़ा सा complicated question है बेटा. देखिए question समझिए. देखिए किरण weighs 20 kg 850 ग्राम. So जो किरण है उसका weight कितना है? That is 20 kg and 850 ग्राम. So this is the weight of Kiran. Next they have said Vimal's weight 12 kg 200 ग्राम. So वहीं जो विमल का weight 12 kg 200 grams more than Kiran. तो विमल का weight क्या है? किरण से 12 kg 200 grams ज़्यादा है. So now we need to find out their total weight. So that means the weight of Kiran is given. Okay, and the weight of Vimal more than Kiran. कि विमल का weight कितना ज़्यादा है किरण से वो दिया है. That is 12 kg 200 grams. Okay, find their total weight. हमें इनका total weight निकालना है. So for finding their total weight we must know about the weight of Vimal. तो total weight निकालने के लिए पहले हमें विमल का weight तो पता होना चाहिए. Okay, so first of all we will calculate the weight of Vimal by adding the weight of Kiran with the weight with the total weight that Vimal weighs more than the Kiran. Okay, so let's do question number 16. देखिए question number 16 is okay, the weight of Vimal is weight of Kiran, weight of Kiran is, किरण का weight कितना है? Weight of Kiran is equal to 20 kg 850 gram. That is 20 kg 850 gram. So this is the weight of Kiran. Next, weight of Vimal. Weight of Vimal more than Kiran. किरण से विमल का वेट कितना ज़्यादा है? दैट इज 12 kg 200 ग्राम. दैट इज 12 kg 200 gram. So this is the more weight of Kiran than Vimal than Kiran. So now after adding them we will get total weight of Kiran. Okay, इन दोनों को हम ऐड करके we can calculate the total weight of Kiran. So Vimal, total weight of Vimal. Total weight of Vimal, that we need to find out कि विमल का टोटल वेट कितना है. ओके, ओनली देन वी कैन कैलकुलेट द टोटल वेट ऑफ बोथ. टोटल वेट ऑफ विमल, लेट्स फाइंड आउट. ग्राम 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 8 plus 2 10, 0, 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. So that means the weight of Vimal is 33 kg and 50 gram. So the total weight of Vimal is 33 kg and 50 gram. तो अभी देखिए हमने विमल और किरण का वेट पता किया है. So the weight of Kiran was already given, that is 20 kg 850 gram, and we have calculated the weight of Vimal. Now the next we need to calculate their total weight. अब हमें निकालना क्या है बेटा इसका total weight. So we need to find out their total weight. So what will we do for finding the total weight? So for finding their total weight, we will add the weight of Vimal and Kiran. Okay, so finding their total weight, we will add the weight of Vimal and Kiran. Okay, weight of Vimal that we have calculated is, that is 33 kg 50 grams. 33 kg and 50 grams. Next is weight. Next is weight of Kiran. Kiran ka weight that was already given. That was 20 kg 850 grams. That is 20 kg 850 grams. Okay, now we can calculate their total weight. Total weight. Okay, so we can calculate it. Total weight. Let's add. Okay, थोड़ा नीचे करके लिखते हैं. Okay, we need to find out the total weight. Okay, so we need to find out the total weight. So let's find the total weight. Okay, so here it will be the gram. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, 0, 1, 1 plus 8 9, and here we will write kg. 3 plus 0 3, 3 plus 2 5. That is 53 kg 900 grams. So 53 kg 900 grams. So this is the total weight of Kiran and Vimal. Okay, and we have calculated it by adding. Therefore total weight of Vimal and Kiran is, therefore total weight of Vimal and Kiran is 53 kg 900 grams. Therefore, the total weight of Vimal and Kiran is, that is 53 kg and 900 grams. Okay. So this is the solution of the last question of exercise 10.1. Okay. So the question, the weight of Kiran was given. Okay. अब the more weight of Vimal than Kiran was given. सबसे पहले हमने क्या कैलकुलेट किया? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड द वेट ऑफ विमल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में सेकंड पार्ट था, वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट द टोटल वेट ऑफ बोथ किरण एंड विमल. सो द वेट ऑफ विमल वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड एंड द वेट ऑफ किरण वाज ऑलरेडी गिवन, एंड आफ्टर एडिंग देम बोथ वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड देयर टोटल वेट, दैट वाज 53 kg and 900 grams. So therefore total weight of Vimal and Kiran is 53 kg and 900 grams. Okay, chaliye, let's move to the question. Okay, so with this actually we have completed the exercise 10.1. Now we will move to the exercise 10.2, that is the multiplication and the division of measurements of weight. Okay, so now we will do the next exercise, that is multiplication and the division of measurement of weight. But here first of thing that we can't directly multiply or the divide the measurements of weight. First of all we have to do the conversion. Only after that we will do the multiplication and the division, whatever has been asked. Okay, chaliye, so let's move to the next exercise 10.2. Okay, firstly we will do just little bit one or two sums of addition and of multiplication and division. So हम एक या दो ही सम करेंगे बेटा, डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन के. ओके, आफ्टर दैट we will do all the division and the multiplication in the statement sums. Clear? चलिए, so let's do the first sum from the exercise 10.2. ओके, 10.2 के फर्स्ट सम देखिए, दैट इज मल्टीप्लाई. द फर्स्ट सम इज दैट वी नीड टू डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन और वी नीड टू डू द मल्टीप्लाई. क्लियर? हियर द फर्स्ट ए पार्ट इज गिवन, मल्टीप्लाई 14 kg 500 gram by 6. The question is A part, multiply 14 kg 500 gram by 6. So हमें 14 kg 500 gram को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 6. Okay, so we will not do the, देखिए in your book the concept of conversion is given. So first of all we will do the conversion and then we will do the division, sorry, the multiplication or the division, whatever is there. Okay, so first of all let's convert it. Okay, so I'm starting with the solution part. So we need to convert 14 kg 500 gram. Okay, so we need to convert it first. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Next is we need to convert, देखिए kg को grams में convert करना है. 14 is in kg, but the 500 is already in gram. So that means we need to convert this one only. Okay, so let's multiply it with 1000. 14 multiplied by 1000 and it will become gram. Whereas the 500 is already gram, so we will write it like this as it is. Okay, so 14 multiplied by 1000 is 14,000 grams plus 500 gram. 14,000 grams plus 500 gram. Okay, now let's add them both. So that will be, let's add them. So that is 14,500 gram. So that will be 14,500 gram. Okay, so we first of all we have done the conversion. So देखिए अब हमने conversion कर दिया बेटा. Now we will do the simple multiplication. Okay, अब conversion के बाद ही we are going to do the multiplication. So that means we are going to do this, use this converted unit for the multiplication. Okay, 14,500 gram multiply by, the question was 6. Okay, so let's multiply. 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 fives are 30, 0, 3, 6 fours are 24, 24 plus 3, 27, 7, 2, 6 ones are 6 plus 2, that is 8, that is 80,000 grams. Okay, क्योंकि हमने convert करके किया बेटा, so that is answer is 80,000 grams. Or if you want to write it in as like a question, kg और grams में लिखना चाहते हैं, so just take the last 3 digits. तो देखिए grams में 3 digits होते हैं, तो इसके last 3 digits that will be the gram and the बाकी जितने भी आगे बचेंगे that will be kg. So that means last 3 digits, that is 0. So the answer is 87 kg. 3 0 है. Okay, that is gram. So basically we will term it as 87 kg. तो हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? 87 kg. Okay. So this is how you are going to do the conversion first, and then we will do the multiplication or the division. Okay. So let's do the B part. In the B part, we need to multiply 8 kg 250 gram by 9. Okay. So let's do the B part of the same first question. Okay. So the B part is, the B part, we need to multiply 8 kg 250 gram by 9. So we need to multiply 8 kg 250 gram by 9. Okay, अब इसको हम multiply करेंगे. Okay, so let's do the solution. So first of all, as the previous sum, we will do the conversion first. So that is 8 kg 250 grams. Okay, चलिए. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 8 kg we need to convert into gram. तो 8 kg को हमें grams में convert करना है. So we will multiply it with 1000 and it will become gram. And that 250 is already in gram, so we will write it as it is. Okay, so let's 8 multiplied by 1000 is 8000 gram plus 250 grams. So 8000 gram plus 250 grams, that will be 8250 gram. That is 8250 grams. Okay, so now we have done the conversion. So we have converted 8 kg 250 grams into grams, that is 8250 grams. Now after conversion we will do the simple multiplication as we have done in the previous one as well. So that now we are going to multiply 8250 with 9. Okay, so 9 zeros are 0, 9 fives are 45, 4 will be here, 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 9 eights are 72 plus 2, that is 74. So the answer we got after multiplication is, that is 74,250 grams. Or you can write the kg or gram. Last 3 digits will be gram and then बाकी जितने आगे रह जाएंगे that will be kg. Or we can write it as 74 kg 250 grams. Okay, so we can write it like this as well. Okay, so this is how you will do the multiplication or the division, but you need to do the conversion first. only then you will do this one. Okay, so this is the solution from the B part of the same exercise 10.2. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.